Welcome to ASCENSUS Institute podcast. I'm Dr. Fred Utanes, the Dean of ASCENSUS Institute. With a rich history in education and a passion for developing future leaders, we're on a mission to make ASCENSUS a global education powerhouse. Today, let's go into our flagship program, the Postgraduate Diploma in Management, or PGDM. Designed for aspiring professionals, our PGDM offers specialized majors in business analytics, digital marketing, and SME management. We provide a comprehensive understanding of management principles, ensuring our students are well prepared for the demands of contemporary industries. Our program combines classroom lectures with webinars and interactive sessions, enabling students to develop critical skills like strategic thinking, problem solving, and effective communication. At ASCENSUS, we're committed to equipping learners with the knowledge and tools needed to excel in dynamic business environments, paving the way for their success in their careers. So join us on this journey of learning and leadership at ASCENSUS Institute, where your potential meets our expertise.